Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Acharya Vishwendra. Today, I shall talk to you about the neural patterns of the human mind brain system. So, as you can see over here, suppose this is the brain. So, this is the spinal cord, this is the occipital lobe, frontal lobe, temporal, parietal, and the occipital lobe. So, here the structure is shown over here. Here is shown a nerve cell, and there are the you know uh, connections to the other nerve cells. So the thing is that when we do any activity, then these type of neural connections are being made in the brain itself. So suppose this is the brain. So if we do any activity, there is a pattern, there is a neural pattern. Neurons are connected in a certain way through different parts of the brain, and they form something which is called as the neural pattern. And these neural pattern decides your success in any field of life, because success means developing something or producing something which is of use to the people so that they can be interested in that product. So the most fundamental cause for existence or the purpose of life is to seek states of higher consciousness, or simply the state of being betterment or a feeling of pleasure, ecstasy. So if you can create something, if you can develop something which can induce a certain sort of pleasure or a certain sort of betterment in life of others, only then you are successful. And for that you have to work on the neural patterns. So that's why I choose this topic, because the most fundamental unit behind success in any field is a developed neural pattern. So in this topic I shall be discussing the complexities, the process, and the perfect application of development of neural pattern. So let's start first with the academic life. Let's suppose there are